Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to our beginners video series. If you are new to iPhone or iPad, in this episode, we are going to see how to schedule a text on an iPhone. This feature is going to arrive with the release of iOS 18. The official release of iOS 18 set to be around the end of September. So with iOS 17 and older versions, you cannot use this feature. But once iOS 18 is officially released, right now it is under beta testing. So if you are using the public beta version, you will be able to use this feature. And the very important thing you should know is schedule a text on iPhone feature is not enabled for regular text messages. You have to use iMessage, which means the receiver have to be an iOS user, whether iPhone, iPad, or a Mac computer, he should don't. So only with iMessage, this schedule a text on iPhone feature normally works. So here you can see I'm typing a message, and after that you can tap on this plus icon and you will see the option send later. And here instead of the keyboard, you see the option to select the date and time when you want to send this message. If it is a birthday wish or any other anniversary wish that you want to schedule it in advance to be sent on particular time, you can use this feature, of course, and you can select the AM or PM and the time and everything, and you can click on send. This message now scheduled to be sent on that specific time, so tomorrow 8 a.m. And right now it is not possible to modify the message once you schedule to be sent. Instead you can delete this message and then you can craft a new message. So tap on this edit and you will see further options. Like if you want to edit the time, you can edit it, but they are not right now allowing you to edit the message. Instead you can send the message right now by tapping on the first option. Otherwise you can delete the message so that you can craft a new message to schedule and send it later. So this is how schedule a text on iPhone works. The same feature will work on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac computer. For more useful iPhone, iPad, and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.